Hey guys, welcome back to ZachBlog. So, I've mentioned a few times that I have this lathe and milling machine in the house for a little while. I figured today we'll take a quick look at it. I'm going to design, well I guess not design, the design's freely out there, but I'm going to machine a propeller saver. So we'll be using the 3-jaw chuck. Let's take a piece of brass. I'll machine it down to the right size, and then I've got a propeller around here somewhere. I'll use that to figure out the size of the nub on the end, and then I will drill it out, and then I will tap the holes. So, I guess let's get started. Alright guys, so that was really fun. I was able to take a piece of just brass and turn it into something useful. Most of you probably know what a propeller saver is for. The name's kind of self-explanatory, but for those of you who might not know, I have it installed here on this motor. Take a close look. So, you put the propeller saver on the shaft of the motor. It has that little nub on the front. So the hole pattern is the same on the other side there, so the nub fits into the center hole, and then the outside part fits around the outside of the propeller saver. Basically, makes it so if you hit the ground, your propeller is able to go sideways instead of braking, thereby saving your propeller. And then you just reseat it, and you're off to fly again. Alright, so you guys know what to do. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up. If you disliked it, hit the thumbs down. Leave me a comment down there. Click that subscribe button down there somewhere. If you feel like helping out the channel monetarily at all, there's the Patreon. I'll throw a card up there. And I guess that's pretty much it. Have a good one, guys.